channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. So today I want to show you 6251 jazzy gospel chord in the key of F sharp. So let's get to the keys and see what we have today. And trust me, you should learn this in F sharp. Yeah, and I think there's a video before this where I taught it in the key of C. I can do other keys also if you want. Yeah. All right, so let's get to the keys and see what we have here. Okay, so today the key of F sharp has the notes F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, C sharp, D sharp, F, and F sharp. Okay, so 6251 progression is, let's go by the number system. We have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh yeah, click the subscribe button. Click it, yeah, so you can get notifications for other videos. God bless you in Jesus' name. All right, so let's continue. If you've done that, you can say, yeah, I've done that, I've subscribed. Continue, sir. All right, so where is 6? 6 is here. We have E flat. That's the 6 in the key of F sharp. Where's the 2? The 2 is A flat. The 5 is D flat. Of course, your 1 is, you know now, your key. Yeah, type it. Okay, so the progression goes like this. What chord is this? Yeah, so this is a G major 7 flattened 5. Flat 5 on E flat. This is like a slash chord on E flat. So on E flat. So we have a G. You know G major 7 now. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 in the key of G. So but just flatten the 5. So we have a G, B, D flat, and F sharp. What is going on? Alright, so that's it. Right, the next chord 2. So this is 6 chord, though, don't forget. Yeah, Sister Maka, don't forget, that's 6. You are now on 2. All right, I know you're watching. Okay, so right, so on 2 we have another slash chord, which is what's it called, F sharp major 7 flat 5 on what's it called, on A flat. Yeah, so 6, 5, 2 rather. So that's our 2. So our 5 chord we have B flat 13. Yeah, B flat 13. So that's the notes are what's it called? Okay, let me just pick this with it. So we have a minor 13 chord. Yeah, B flat minor 13 chord. Yeah, so but this is actually on the left, so I don't want this theory problem. Right, so on left we have a D flat. On right we have a G, A flat, B flat, and E flat. You can write that down. So 6, 2, 5, 1. All right, so on 1 we have the normal F sharp major 7. Yeah, so we have a F sharp on the left. We have the 7. Sorry, this is 9. This is 9 chord. Yeah, we have 7, 9, 3, 5. So let me give you a passing chord you can use to that 6 again. You know, when you do 6, 2, 5, 1, you might need 3 sometimes to get back to 6. So that one just goes like this. What chord is this? What chord is this? Is this again rather? So we have right. This is a D, right? D, right? D, right? So this is like another chord. So D major 7 with a sharpened 5th, right? On what's the root again? Okay. Oh, so on what's it called, on B flat? Yeah. So that's it. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. God bless you in Jesus' name. Bye.